Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discover an essential punctuation mark called full stop, which is also known as period. It is one of the most important punctuation marks of English language, which is used in different conditions. So let's learn its uses. Number 1, it is used to end a declarative sentence. For example, Mr. Sharma is my friend. Number 2, sentence we can say India is my country. So these are declarative statements. Number 2 usage of full stop is it is used after abbreviations: doctor, Mr., Miss, Mrs., junior, senior. These are the abbreviations which take dot or full stop after them. Next, we use full stop after initials also. For an example, MK Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When you want to say a long name, you can use initials like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. A. P. Dr. J. Abdul Kalam. Next is decimal numbers. We use full stop to show decimal numbers also. For an example, 4.5, 9.75. So these are the decimal numbers which take full stop or period between them. Next is to show email ID or website name. For an example, info@google.com or www.google.com. So this is how you can use full stop with the names of websites and emails. Next, we can also use full stop to create a number list or any kind of list. For an example, number 1 dot like book, number 2 dot copy, number 3 dot comics. So these are the lists you can prepare with the help of dot or full stop. It is also used to show or to give command also, like please sit, full stop, or you can say like come soon, full stop. Please listen to me carefully. These are the short commands which take full stop after them. These are the complete statements you can say. So they take full stop after them. It is also used after indirect statements also. Like he said I was coming, or he said that he was going to the market, or you can say she asked me when I was coming. So this is how you can use an indirect statement also. So these are the some uses of full stop. Let's recap friends. What are the uses of full stop? Number 1, it is used to end declarative sentence. Number 2, show abbreviations after initials. Number 4, after full numbers like 4.5, 6.5, something like that. Next, websites names and email IDs. Next, indirect statements. And last one is to show the command please sit down, go there, come here. So these are the few uses of full stop or period. So friends, I hope now you have got the entire concept of full stop and its uses nicely. You can use it in your writing skill to improve your writing skill properly. And note down one more important tip for full stop. When you end a statement or when you end a sentence with full stop, please start a new sentence with capital letter. So it will be a correct way to write English language. So I hope friends you have got an idea of this entire uses of full stop or period. And if you like the video friends, kindly share it with your friends and family members. Have a nice day. Bye bye.